This is a very quick demo of how to use PageFinder. After logging in, the first thing you want to do is to add your files. You can upload from your desktop or sync from cloud storage. Once your files have been processed, you can search for the pages you're interested in researching by using combinations of keywords, filters and image matches. From here you can select the pages and organize them into a binder. Now you can access the binder and use the AI tool to find answers from your selected pages. That's it, simple as that. Thanks for watching.